We have walked all the way up to the top to the mile-high swinging bridge, and it doesn't look that scary from the bottom, but when you're on the bridge, it feels like you're a mile high, definitely. Hey, we are at Grandfather Mountain up here at Grandfather, North Carolina. We have a reservation for 10 a.m. because of the coronavirus. They actually closed the mountain for a little bit, so we don't get in until 10 a.m. this morning. Showed up about 20 minutes early, and they won't let us in because our reservation is not till exactly 10 o'clock.
They won't let us in because we're convicted felons.
Don't listen.
Mark's just a one-hit wonder for photos.
So Grandfather Mountain has been closed now since March 15th. It's been exactly 2 months. We are some of the first people to get back into the park because they officially opened today. Admission into Grandfather Mountain is $22, but because Mark and I work for Cross North School in Children's Home, we actually get in for free, which is a huge blessing. We are the third car in line for the 10 a.m. opening at Grandfather Mountain. Whee!
Soon, you'll arrive at the Nature Museum parking area. Here you can learn about the mountain's amazing inhabitants through exhibits and free films, or watch live animals in their natural habitats.
So our first stop today is the animal habitat area. So we've got little social distancing squares.
The Nature Museum is a hub of activity on Grandfather Mountain for both the inhabitants and visitors, and it's all about wildlife.
Social distancing squares, you guys need to be in your squares. In your squares. I don't see any elk.
Oh, right.
Oh my gosh, he's right there.
Many animals in the habitats on Grandfather are here because they have had injuries or other issues that would prevent them from surviving in the wild.
Well, don't see any cougars today.
Black bears are a big part of Grandfather Mountain's history. Unlike cougars, which don't roam the mountain anymore, wild bears do live here, and visitors sometimes spot them.
We left the animal exhibit, which was our first stop, and our second stop is the Forest Gump picnic area. When they filmed the movie Forrest Gump, they actually filmed Forrest Gump running right around this bridge that I'm about to show you guys. Forrest Gump ran this curve, and so is Brandon.
There it is.
You're approaching the end of the road to the mile-high swinging bridge. Here you'll find the top shop with restrooms, a gift shop, and elevator access to the bridge.
So we're doing the bridge trail, which is a 0.4 mile trail to the top of the parking lot instead of driving all the way up there. During normal season, this is a really packed trail that a lot of people hike. We have walked all the way up to the top to the mile-high swinging bridge, and it doesn't look that scary from the bottom, but when you're on the bridge, it feels like you're a mile high, definitely. I'm a little afraid of heights, and this bridge is terrifying. I did it before, and I was pretty scared last time I did it.
This structure is named the Mile High Bridge because it is suspended 5,280 feet or 1 mile above sea level.
If you
scary.
fell off, you're not dropping that far.
Yeah, you are. You would die. Are we allowed to go up this way? Yeah. Sweet.
Lots of people think the name Grandfather refers to the mountain's very old age. Topographically speaking, Grandfather Mountain was formed in a series of mountain building events that occurred about 300 million years ago. Some of the rock formations on Grandfather are even older than that. When the first pioneers arrived, they saw the ridgeline and believed that they could see the face of an old man looking into the sky. And so they named the mountain Grandfather.
We are about to hike that mountain.